A lot of the most meaningful photographs come from traveling to places that people have never experienced before. And the effort that goes into capturing that moment for people to enjoy, those are the moments that I live for. Those moments are rarely captured under the best conditions. Adding Riverbank to my gear kit enables me to go further off the grid and handle any situation. Riverbank is the first module portable power solution of its kind. The main module has 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, and it supports wireless charging. There's also an LED screen that shows you how much battery life you have left, how much power your devices are drawing, and what ports you're using at times. And even when I'm all out of ports on my laptop, I can use Riverbank as a USB hub to transfer photos from my SD card to my computer. The car jump starter module could jumpstart my car up to 10 times in one charge, and also adds power capacity when stacked with the Riverbank main module. And this thing keeps me on the road and on time for the next shoot. All 3 modules are less than 100 watt hours each. This makes Riverbank the largest capacity power station you can legally fly with. The Riverbank can be used to power the whole team during a meeting. It can power my laptop in busy coffee shops where wall outlets aren't accessible, and the extra adapter tips make Riverbank compatible with most laptop models. And I can recharge it with EcoFlow's portable solar panels when I'm outside, so I still have juice to power my barbecues with friends at the end of the day. Wherever I am in the world, Riverbank keeps me powered and connected so that I never miss a moment.